Hello, Yellow Medicine East Sting families. This is Mr. Luff, principal here at the Yellow Medicine East Middle and High School, outlining how we will be conducting the fall parent-teacher conferences here at the Hive. This year, due to building restrictions and safety for everyone, we will be conducting our parent-teacher conference virtually. In this letter outlined here, you will see a link of how to schedule a meeting with each of your children's teachers. When you click on the hyperlink outlined in the meeting, you will be brought to the master Google Calendar for the Fall Conference Parent Letter. In here, you will see all the teachers here at Yellow Medicine East and access to their calendar to schedule a time of when you can meet with them. If your child has Mr. Baumgardner, you will highlight the hyperlink for Mr. Baumgardner and it will be brought to his calendar. This will bring you into a Google Calendar where you will be able to scroll forward to either November 19th or November 23rd and look at all the open slots. When you see a time that is available, please click on it. When you click on a time slot that works for you, and a book an appointment will pop up on your screen. In here, you will see, if logged into Google, your calendar will be linked with this. In here, you will put the method that you would like a conference to be held, either phone call or Zoom. If you would like to be contacted by phone, please put your phone number in here, or Zoom, please outline in here When you click Save, that'll notify Mr. Baumgardner that you have set up a time for a Zoom meeting at 3:30 to 3:40 on November 19th. You would go through the scheduling process with each one of your children's teachers. If you do not have a free Google email account of your own, we highly recommend using your child's school Google account to schedule meetings. If you have any questions, please contact the office at 320-564-4081, extension 100. Thank you and have a great evening.